What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So on this tutorial, I will explain you how you can convert your website which you have built previously in this format. If you click on home page, you will be directed to this home page, and if you click on about page, you will be directed to this about page. So how can we do that? So let's begin. First of all, go to your IDE, then I'll give the link of this file in the description. Go and download this file. It is an HTML file. It gives the layout of that file. It creates the layout of this file. So guys, if you know a bit of HTML, you can create this file, but if you don't know, you can ask me in the comment box. I will also create a tutorials on that also. Okay, let me explain you what that exactly is. So it is a template, and we have connected this template to the home page and to the about page. As you can see, here we have whatever we write here will be go to this template and show here, and it is the heading of our web page. You can see also that also. You can see I can change this heading. Let's say code with Lakshit, and if I again run it, you have to not do anything with this page. Python web dot y, and you will get the link. Just go to that link, and here the page name has been changed. Simple. Okay, so guys, we have connected these pages with this html layout.html page. Whatever we write here will be go there, and it is also called a child page. Where you can see whenever we run the page, this page here, it will interconnected with this page, and this page will run under this page. I know it is a bit confusing, but it is simple. If you understand it again, if you watch this video again, you will have a knowledge of this what I am saying. So simple. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And one more thing, if these are the tags of HTML. If you don't know these tags, you can learn HTML first. I will recommend you to learn HTML first before proceeding this tutorial, because it will be more beneficial for you. And if you want the tutorial from me, you can ask me in the comment box. I will prepare the tutorial for that also. So thank you guys. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.